Attention VCSC bus riding families. This year, the VCSC will be improving our busing experience through Traversa 360. Traversa 360 will provide you with up-to-date pickup and drop-off times, locations, and give you the ability to easily communicate with our transportation department through an app. The process is easy, and we know you'll love it. First, download the Traversa 360 on your smartphone, whether that's Android or iPhone. Open the app and click Register. Fill out the requested information. Once that information is completed, a verification email will be sent to you. Please click the link in the email to complete the registration process. Once completed, you can now log in and add your student or students. To add students, simply use their student ID number. This can be found on PowerSchool. Once you select your student, you will now have access to pickup and drop-off times, locations, and messaging. We hope this tutorial helps and are looking forward to another great year in the VCSC.